Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Hemi Jarvis here with another tutorial video. Today's video, I'm just making this real quick because somebody told me, hey man, how do you turn off motion blur on the Xbox One console? And I was like, that's a really good question. Now, here's the thing, guys. I got some good news and then I got some bad news for you guys. But I'm gonna tell you the bad news first. Let me tell you the bad news first. Xbox One, I don't believe they have motion blur. They don't have the settings in motion blur yet. Motion blur in the settings yet. But if you have a PlayStation Pro, if you have a PS4 Pro, then you are able to turn on and off motion blur. Simple as that, guys. But the Xbox, now the good news is, who knows? Maybe they will put the settings of motion blur in Xbox One, and if they do, I'm betting the way you're going to be able to turn it on and off is like this. So what you would do is you would click on the start button, which is right here in the middle of your controller. Not the middle, but on the side. I don't know if you can see my finger, but click that. And you want to go to settings. All right. So once you go to settings, now, as you can see here in the Xbox One console, it doesn't show motion blur, right? If you was on a PlayStation 4 console, motion blur would be right next to this setting menu. So I'm on settings. It will be right to the left of that. So it will be here. Okay. Now, since we're on Xbox, guys, we just have to deal with what we got at the moment, right? But it would definitely be right here, guys, on settings. All right. So since it is not here, guys, we as Xbox players are unable to turn off motion blur as of today's date right now. All right. Now, but again, guys, don't be discouraged or don't be mad, because I'm sure that they will give us that option here in the Xbox One console. Okay. But anyway, guys, if you want more tutorial videos, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel here, because I make some of the best tutorials. You got those channels where some people, they don't really know how to explain to you guys exactly what you're looking for. Here on my channel, I actually take the time and give you guys the correct information on how to do things, especially when in regards to Fortnite and stuff like that. So anyway, that is it for this video. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But to answer your question, you cannot turn off motion blur in Fortnite if you have Xbox One. Not right now. You can do it on the PlayStation 4 Pro, but not on the Xbox One. So with that said, guys, I will see y'all in the next tutorial video. Thanks for watching.